Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid, and in this episode I'm going to explain you how you can make a formula that will give you the running total of your sales. In this table I'm having month, days and my sales. Now I want a DAX formula that can return me the running total. For example, in December, day number 1, I'm having the sales of 15.7 cartons. In my second day, it will give me the accumulation of day 1 and day 2. If I will add 15.7 plus 10.1, the total will be 25.8. In day 3, if I will be adding 15.7 plus 10.19, it will return me 34.8. So similarly, in day number 10, if I will be adding the sales from 1st to 10, it will return me the total of 155.4. So now I'm going to this Myers and I will click on these 3 dots. Then I will be selecting new Meyer. Then here I'm going to type running total 2 is equal to calculate. Calculate is like the boss of this formula. It tells Power BI that you want to calculate something, in this case the sales. So here the first parameter is the formula. That is the thing that I have to calculate in this formula, and rest will be the filters. So now I'm going to type the filter function. The filter function is used to pick only the rows of data that we want to use in this calculation. So in this formula, filter is being used to select only data for specific year, month and date that we need for the running total. So first of all, I'm going to type all calendar. All removes any filters that might already be applied to the data, especially to the calendar table in this case. It helps make sure we can look at all dates no matter what other filters are on the report. So basically it will clear all the filters on date table. Now I'm going to type calendar year. This is referring to the year column in the calendar table is equal to selected value, means the year that I have chosen are selected. As you can see here, I have selected 2024 year from this slicer. So basically this line of code will pick the filter that I selected from this slicer. Similarly, calendar month is equal to selected value calendar month. This line of code will make a filter for this December month. Then in the next line, I'm going to type calendar date greater than equal to max calendar date. Here this calendar date will give us the list of dates, all the dates from this table. This line of code max into calendar date will give us the latest date. The minimum date is 1st December and the last date, the latest date is 31 December. This part is saying pick all the dates up to the latest date. So this line of code will pick 1st December and it will go to the latest date of 31st December and it will add all the records from 1st to 31st. Basically it adds up everything up to the latest date from 1st to 31st and it will create the running total.